this is how you are going to go about using templates to record reels for yourself. You are going to go on to the reel section like this, and let me pause this. So you are going to go to the reel section like this, then check for templates. So you go on as if you want to record a video for yourself, then you click on templates. Then from the templates you can pick any one of these templates.
One, two, three. Bitch, you're my soulmate. Yes. Yes. Look at your lock screen. That's your reason to keep going.
I'm looking for the best one. So let's go pick so let's pick this. Click on use template. Then we have some pictures to pick now from our gallery. So I go to gallery, I pick pictures from here. So you can check your gallery too and pick any picture that suits you that you can use. So let me pick this. I want to select like some brown shoes for this product, these reels. So I still have like, I'm supposed to select like 12 pictures here. Okay, good. So let's go to next. It's going to be processing, and when it's done we can use it. So let's check it out. So what you have, then you click on next. So if you want to add any text to it, you can go like this. Click on this. So let me go back. Click on this AA. Then you can say something like, are you a fan of brown shoes / slippers? Click done. Then put it anywhere you want to put it. So I adjust where I want it to reach here. So just on this picture. Then add another one. See this. So let me adjust this too. I click on next. So I have this now. It's processed already. So let's continue. Let's give it something. You like brown shoes? Okay, so then I click on share. We have it here. Very simple.